Assalamualaikum. Today I will present about key plan and slab design. First, my first floor, then my second floor, roof floor, my second floor, roof floor, then my slab. So I use six seven E DH slab. So the FY is 17 foot, F6 then first we need to find permanent GK. I get 27.3 from table A.3 PS 8500 0.268 kilonewton ceramic tile from this. So my variable is 1.5 kilonewton because it's living room. Design life 50 years. Fire resistant R60. Exposure class at C1. Strength of concrete 30 Newton meter square. 5K 500 Newton per millimeter square. Unit weight 25 kilonewton per meter square. Assembly bar 10 meter millimeter. Design slab panel BC long span is LY 5182 mm, short span 4950 mm. I got 1.047 lesser than 2 to put slab. Slab thickness, minimum thickness I get is 80 mm, but the thickness given is 4 foot equal to 101.6 mm. It doesn't pass due to previous calculation I've calculated. So I use new thickness for 950 over 40. I get 1 to 3.75 mm. For the LBT, cement bond 10 mm, cement duration 15 mm. So my nominal cover is 25 mm. Action, the self weight of slab is 3.094 kilonewton. Permanent load 1.26. My W is 8.138 kilonewton per meter square. This is two slab. Then it is to adjacent edges discontinuous. So bending moment is short span. Continuous edges I get 10.22. Mid span I get 7.74. For bending moment long span, get 9.372, 6.78 D. For main reinforcement, the H tolak sinom minus 0.5 limbar, then 3.75, dy at 3.75. Minimum is 141.374 5 millimeter squared over m. Here as max, I get 3750 millimeter squared per millimeter. Short span, I get 263.80 millimeter squared. I use H10 250 top, 314 millimeter plus ES min. Then 199.758 millimeter squared over m, I use 262 millimeter plus ES min. Then long span, I get 27.79, I use 314 millimeter plus ES min. Long span 262 millimeter, I get 195.90 millimeter squared over m. So 262 millimeter. Shear is to adjust discontinuous. I get CEX, I get 16.92, DEX I get 11.68, CEY I get 16.11, DEY I get 10.47. So we need to design shape for VD 16.92, VRDC is bigger than VD, bigger than VMIN. So need anything. Then deflection rho equal to AS triad over BD 263.8 times divide by 100 times 93.75. So L over D is allowable. I get 68.16. L over the actual, I get 52.8. For cracking, main bar 371.25. So maximum bar spacing is 350 millimeter. So use 350 millimeter. Then secondary bar max bar spacing is 4 to 5 millimeters. So this is lebih, so I use 4 to 5 millimeter for my BQ. Slab 6 to 7 DH. So first I find concrete 3.173 millimeters of concrete. First the detailing at the top, H10 300, H10 250, H10 300 at this thing, H10 250 at. Then this is the detailing plan view. Then I find the reinforcement, motor acceleration, length, then total length required steel 31 times 5 to 16 times 104 50.032, get 110.2836. Then reference bottom one direction, I get 8.8 meter H10. Top X direction to 5 meter H10. Top Y direction, I get 40.7037 H10. Formwork, I get 1.282 timber, 1.225 timber to 5.65 timber for soffit. Then total up, I get 28.157 timber. For the total amount is 173.22. Thank you.